Hi everybody, it's Paddy here again from Veteran Detail. A very quick video. You have headrests which look like this. We would rather that they look like this. Today we're going to be talking about headrests and removal of this. 90% of that is bodily oils, body oils, grease on the back of your head and things like that. All of that has come into contact with this bolster on this headrest. So what we use to remove it, we're going to use a normal sort of 4-to-1 kind of mix of any general purpose sort of degreaser. It's mixed down at 4-to-1, the 4 being obviously 4 parts water and then 1 part chemical. So this is general purpose sort of degreaser that we use all the time. However, if you've watched our other video, which is seatbelt cleaning, you'll know that we have a top tip for taking out body oils and all those kinds of things. Most of that is protein, and to remove proteins we use bug remover or bug cleaner. So what the bug cleaner does, it breaks down those proteins, so saturate that area and then just lay that off to one side. You want to leave it for approximately 5 to 10 minutes. All of those products will then soak into the fibres. It'll work at breaking down those proteins, breaking down the dirt and the grime, and then once it's broken it down, you then scrub it with the scrubbing brush. You can either then steam this headrest, or if you wish to clean it out, you can, if you want to, you can wash it in a bucket of water. There's quite a lot of foam here, so I don't recommend washing the full thing in a bucket of water because it will take quite a while to dry out. So if you want to steam it and then use a cloth to draw all that dirt out, or as we generally do, we generally use our extractor machine, normally used for carpets and seats. Obviously this is part of a seat, it's the headrest. So there we have it. Who would have thought? Well, I already know about the secret of bug cleaner because we've used it on our seatbelt cleaning video. So again, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget, bug cleaner is a detailer's friend. When you want to use it, just add it to whatever other cleaning product you're using, and that combination of the two products together will break down all of those proteins. So again, thanks for watching, thanks for tuning in. Please press the like button. Don't forget to press the subscribe button. It'll be down here. Don't forget to press the little notification bell. That'll give you an indication of when our next video is online. Again, it's Paddy from Veteran Detail, the British guy living, working and operating in the United States. I've got to get myself back to work. As you can hear in the background there, there's machines going off. That means someone's polishing something and making it really, really shiny. I better go and check to see how shiny it is. See you later. Take care.